Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to make phone less distracting. And this is one of the best ways to maintain focus. Reducing screen clutter helps make your day more productive and keeps you away from unnecessary distractions or doom scrolling, especially on your phone. And here's a practical Android friendly guide to make your phone way less distracting. First is to unlock your Android phone and open the Settings app. Tap the Digital, Wellbeing, or Parental Controls. Check your screen time to see which apps distract you most. Then tap App Timer. Set daily time limits for distracting apps such as social media or games. Go back and enable the focus mode. Choose the apps you want to pause during focus time. Tap on Set a Schedule, then tap Set to schedule focus mode for work or study hours. Return to Settings, Notifications, turn off non-essential notifications, then enable Do Not Disturb during important hours. Move distracting apps into a folder or to another screen. Change your home screen to a minimalist layout. Lock the settings and enjoy a calmer, more focused phone experience. Extra focus tips. Use the grayscale mode to reduce visual temptation. Keep only essential widgets on your home screen. Turn off notification badges and use the focus mode with automation. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.